Hello dear OM, Apart OM, Apart Online Marketer. I'm here again, Mr. Habib. I'm here to teach you how to upload your products, our website, Apart ICT Ventures product to your website in order for your customer to be linked from your website, your Google website, your Google business website to hab47, whereby they can buy products from your affiliate link, which automatically remits a commission of 10% into your account. And this is how it goes. We are sorry for the delay of this video. It happens due to some issues about our devices and the internet connection, so we are really sorry for that. So today, let's quickly get into the topic. You load your web browser as usual. Okay, let's quickly go to our official website, hab47.com. Here we come. This is hab47.com. Good. We have a page here. Then the affiliates platform portal is also here, where you have to log into your platform. You log in to your app to okay, I think I have my demo. Demo account here, my app. Now let's quickly go to hab47. Now we are there. Now let me connect to my Gmail account and access our website. The business website will be attached with your Gmail account. The application will be attached to your Gmail account. But before that, we are going to give you access to your website through a mail, through a Gmail, through a message, a Gmail message, whereby you click on manage this store, manage this website, which allows you to sign in to the website with your Gmail account and your password. Once you have access to this, you can start imputing or posting products. You can modify your site and put current product you want to market. This is how it works. When you are on your Gmail account, you click on this icon, Google app. When you click on Google app, then you click on my business, OM. Okay, I think let me make use of Felix website. Felix. Now good, this is Felix platform, whereby we have all these options here. And this site is, we just uploaded one picture for you, Felix. Now let's upload another picture to Felix website. Now let's click on, you click on home or post. Once you click on home or you click on post, then you click on this add products. Now we have okay, this is add products. Then you click on what's new, the new products you are having, the new products you want to market out to your people, to your audience. Now once you click on this, okay, let's quickly go to and select new products to upload. Zoom in. We have this. You want to market this smartwatch. Now we have this smartwatch here of different variants. Can you see we have different, your clients might, you may decide to change. You see we have different. If you don't know how to do this before, this is how to do it. You can select different types of smartwatch or products by clicking on this tab and select your desired product. But sometimes it comes with different, the price varies. Now this is how it works. Can you see that? This is how it works. Now assuming you want to market this product, what you need to do is copy the URL, the product page URL, click on copy, go to your portal, your affiliate portal, then paste, which automatically your affiliate link will be generated. You click on copy, then you go back to your base, your post, then add a button option by clicking on buy or order online. You click on order online, then you click on this, you paste your link there, whereby your affiliate link has been placed. Then for description of the product, you can copy out this. There is a description here, and you can also add your own content to make your work, to improve your marketing strategy. Now this has been copied along with the shipping details. Now you copy it and go back to your paste, then you paste here, right post. It has been pasted. You can scroll up. Can you see that it has been pasted there? This has been pasted. Then now what do you need again? You need a picture. Now let's go back to the official page and load and save the picture. Now you can select a good looking picture that showcase the products from these options. You can see we have many options here, variants here. We are using this because this showcase all the features of the smartwatch. Now you click on the image and click on save as. Once you click on save as, it takes you to the a dialog box pop out where you can input a name, file name, smartwatch. Once you click on smartwatch, then okay, I'm saving on desktop for easy access, and make sure you save as JPEG file. Now let's click on save. It has been saved. Then you go back to your post, then you click, you upload. Now let me quickly show you how I get here. You click on this, make your post stand out with a picture. Just click on this icon, then you select, you upload from your computer. Now this is the smartwatch. Then you click on open. Automatically the image will be uploaded on your sites, will be uploaded on your control panel. You can adjust this, you can adjust the crop by using the crop tool. Now this is it. I think we are okay with this. It has been cropped, the image has been cropped. Then you click on upload to post. Now it has been uploaded. Now you click on preview to look how your products will be showcased on your website. Can you see? This is how it will be showcased to your viewers, your audience. Now that is all. Then you click on published. When you click on published, automatically the post will be uploaded to your website. Now it has been uploaded. To check out for that, you click on website here. Once you click on website, now your control panel automatically load your website. Can you see? These are the products which has been uploaded apart from the design. I designed this for you. Now you can see that with dates at which these products were uploaded on your site. Can you see? You have 3 products now, which I believe by now you can upload your own product. You can upload products yourself. That is how it works. Now let's quickly view the site. You can also type in your URL. This is your URL: Felice_hab47 store.business.site, and that is how it works. Now let's look at what's on your site. And you can see these are the products you have for now. Once your customer click on any products, it takes them to this page. After to preview the post, to preview the products. Once your customer preview the products and hit on order online, the system automatically takes your buyer or audience to the site, to hab47 website, which your customer can now decide on action to buy or to add to cart. Now once your customer click on buy and follow the normal and due process and buy the products, your account, your affiliate account commission will be remitted. Your 10% commission will be remitted instantly to your affiliate account. That is how it works. So that is all on how to upload to your website. Thanks for watching. We meet next training.